Let's take a look at this example. We have 4 current sources over here, okay? So let's check how many of them go up. We have 1, 2, 3, okay? So those current sources which are going up together, they are going to create the current which is higher than I2. So it means I have to subtract from the sum of these 3 current I2. So I can say that my I total, which is also equal IL, is equal I1 plus I3 plus I4. I add all currents which go up, and this is minus I2. So I have 10 milliamps plus 70 milliamps plus 20 milliamps, okay, minus 50 milliamps, my I2. So I total is equal 10 plus 70 is 80 plus 20 is 100 milliamps minus 50. This is equal 50 milliamps. This is my I total, which is also equal IL. And because this current source is weaker, because it's just 50 milliamps, and these 3 together, okay, give me 100 milliamps, so the current is going to go this way, because these 3 are stronger than this one. Okay, so current is going to go this way, and this is simply my answer to this problem.